Ma'am, done.
Wait, children. This is not your class. Please wait. There are newcomers.
From the top to bottom also we have to draw a line.
Yeah, 1 second, 1 second. I'll just come back.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, now other side. This side you all have to measure. This portion, it will be around 30 centimeters. So divide it into two parts. That
How
is
many?
30. I think it is 30. A4 size is generally 30 centimeter. So mark it near 15 centimeter and put a section. So you will get 4 sections now. Can you all see? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now come to this corner. Ready, all of you?
Ma'am, just wait.
Ma'am, should we keep it like this or like this, ma'am?
1 second.
Ma'am, like this or like this?
You have to keep it in your landscape position, Moshita. Landscape.
Okay,
Yeah.
like this, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, ready? Now come to this
Yes,
end.
ma'am.
Come to this end. Now from this point, now take inches. All of you take inches. From this point, measure 1.5 centimeter. 1.5 centimeter, mark a point and draw a side line here. Border line for 1.5 inches. Draw a border line. Same way, other end also. 1.5 inches, draw a border line. Draw a
Ma'am,
border line.
1.5 border.
1.5 inches, yeah. So first what we did was plus. And now we have created two borders with a width of 1.5 inches.
Ma'am, my window doesn't have inches.
You don't have inches, then you have to take centimeter. 1 minute. Take a 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. Try to take some inches scale, Ojas.
Okay,
Because,
ma'am.
yeah, please ask somebody to give you inches scale immediately.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I had the same scale like you only.
Okay. Now next level. Let's go for next level.
1 minute.
Now keep your scale. Keep your scale with inches to this corner and just keep marking wherever I'm marking the points.
Ma'am, can you wait a minute? I have to do.
Ready?
I have to do Just 1 minute, ma'am.
Mokshita, this is live, okay? You can just afterwards you can watch my video also and do. We will start because we have very less time. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Listen here, all of you. Now I'm going to mark points here with the inches. So first one will be 2.1. Mark a point with 2.1. 2.1 inches. Next, near 6 inches. Near 6 inches. Mark a point near 6 inches.
Ma'am, as you know, I don't have inches.
Okay, well, just
Okay.
wait. I will tell you. Okay. Let me finish with inches.
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
tell me. Geeta?
Yeah.
Geeta?
Yeah. Tell me, ma.
Can you tell me again?
Yeah. Who's this? Bindu.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, what happened, ma?
Just go to the next box.
Yes, ma'am. Tell me the measurements again. This one first.
This one.
Ah.
Yeah, first one is 2.1.
No, what is breaking?
2.1.
2.1.
Yeah, 2.1. Okay. Now draw the lines. Draw the lines, straight lines from there. We are just making grids so that it will be easy for you all to draw the Ganesha. So draw the lines.
2.5.
Ma'am, what is the middle division that you made, the center line? What is
This
how
one.
much? No, ma'am, how much is the measurement? Center one.
This one.
Center. No, center. In the middle.
This one.
No, ma'am.
Geeta, he's asking the center of the page. Actually, you have divided the page in like a.
That is approximately
On the
we have
center.
made. Approximately we have made into 4 parts, right?
Okay.
Ma'am, but in the 2.5 and the middle line is bigger than the 6 in the middle line.
Which one?
Ma'am, the 2.5. Ma'am, the distance between 2.5 and the middle line is bigger than the distance between the 6 inches and
Yes. It is different. Difference is there. See, 2.1. One marking is 2.1. Other marking is 6 inches here. This line we had already done earlier, so don't worry about that line. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now listen carefully. From this point to this point, from this point to this point, take a center point, divide it into 2. So it will be around 3 inches. 3 inches, see here, 3 inches, and mark a line. Same way, this side also. Mark around 3 inches and mark a line. Now,
Ma'am, I'm doing it proper half.
Pardon?
I'm doing it proper half, not 3 inches.
Proper off. That's correct. Proper off. Okay, Ojas. Now see here, I'm telling you in centimeters. The first one will be 5.1 centimeter. Observe me fast. Okay. Ojas, are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, first one will be 5.1. Mark it immediately. Leave the second line, come to the third one. That will be around 15 centimeter. Mark a point here, 15 centimeter, and draw 2 lines. Okay?
Ma'am, like this.
Who's this?
Ma'am, Karan.
Karan?
Yes, ma'am.
One second, I'll just search. Karan. What? Yeah, yeah, I can see. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, now let us name the boxes now. Let us name the boxes. See here, number 1, so that it will be easy for you all to sketch. This is number 1. Number 2, everything in pencil. Number 2, number 3, and number 4. Then again come to the first box here. Leave the 2 borders. I'm starting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Name the boxes as numbers. Number 4. Now this will be number 5. Followed by 6. 7. 8. Again followed by 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15, 16. So why I'm marking these numbers is, when I keep telling you all where to draw the curves, it will be easy for you all. Understand?
Ma'am, but I have too many boxes.
I think you are not numbered properly. The last 2 lines you have to leave it, Abhigna. The last 2 lines. Pardon?
Ma'am, I left the last 2 lines.
Then how it will be more then? Show me. I think you have done wrong with the measurements. You can just erase the last line. Last 2 lines. Okay? Understood all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, let's start sketching now. Your grid is ready? Grid is ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me wait for 1 more minute. Create a grid like this.
So, ma'am, will we make a big Ganesha or small Ganesha? Like in size?
Imagine how much size you will get it in A4 3 size paper. Not very big, not too small, medium, okay?
Medium, yes. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what a biscuit paper.
Yes? Let's start the sketching, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you wait 2 minutes?
Okay, I will wait. So before that, anybody wants to show me the grids can show me. I'll just give 1 more minute time.
I'm Nitish.
Finished. Shall I show?
I'm Nitish.
Yeah, Nitesh, correct. Meghna. Yeah, Meghna, correct. Mokshita, correct. Arshada, correct. Dhanadeep, correct. Ojas, did you get?
Yes, ma'am. But I only have 5 colors. So can I use a different type of color or something?
What colors you are using?
I only have blue, red, yellow, and green.
Do you have white?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, have Harini, correct. Shanti, correct? Yes. Okay. Fine. Okay, children, I'll just, who's this? Geeta Shri. Geeta Shri, yes. Yeah, correct. Anika and your brothers, yeah, correct. I'll just give you all 1 more minute. Let's start with the sketching, children.
Ma'am, I don't have black sketch pen.
Do you have black gel pen or black Reynolds pen or black crayons? Anything?
I have
Anything?
black gel pen.
Anything black? Yeah, use black gel pen.
Okay.
Ma'am, can we start?
Yeah, we will start. All are ready, children? Let's start the sketching now. Observe me carefully.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now come to this. Come to the box number 11, all of you. Box number 11. Box number 11. Observe me. I'm just touching the border of this box number 11. From here, I'm just taking a C curve. See? Near box number 11, I'm taking a C curve. Just a curve, like a C, where it is touching the borderline of box number 11 in the corner. Can you all see?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'm just mute your audios, just connect it.
Ma'am, can I do with pencil?
Yeah, you have to do only with pencil, children. Now, no pens. Please don't use pens, only pencil. Understand? Take a curve, parallel curve again. Take a parallel curve. Now start from this point. I'm drawing a U curve like this. U curve, a small U curve. One more. So I'm drawing his hand, Ganesha's hand. So I'll finish the drawing so you will have an idea. Yeah. Now observe me. I'm drawing his Modak now. I'm drawing his Modak from this point, from the last finger, from this point, I'm taking a curve upward, and again from this finger, I'm taking one more curve upward like a coconut. Like a coconut. Now let's go to the next level. Now come to this point. Come to this point. From this point, just observe me, then you all can do. I'm taking a slight oval from here. I'm drawing an oval. I'm drawing an oval and joining this modak. So just see where the grid is. Don't go beyond this grid line. It should be in this particular shape, should be within the grid numbers of 7 and 11 only. So observe carefully. I made a half oval joining the modak and this hand. Mokshita, I will see later. Okay. Let us finish a little sketching and I'll see later. Now, let us draw one more parallel curve to this half circle. One more parallel curve and joining to his modak.
Ma'am, done.
Now I'm going to draw a small kind of petal type to create a tusk. See, that's it. Don't panic when internet is slow. Don't panic. It will come back, okay? Now let's go for next level.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now from this point, box number 7, from this point of this task, mark a point here. I'm marking a point, 1 point here, and one more point here near the box number 3. On the box number 3, I'm marking one more point here. You don't do now. First, let me finish. I'm marking one more point. I'm taking a curve actually. And here one more point and one more point. So, from this point, I'm drawing a curve and joining here. It is joining here on the box number 2 only to quarter part of that box. So grid is very important so that you don't miss the sketch. So this curve is done. Again, let us create one more curve like an arc shape from there. Observe me. From this point, I'm again lifting it up like an arc shape. Like an heart shape. So there should be a gap in this box. At least 1 inch or 1.5 inches gap. Then mark a point here and here. Mark a point here and here. Now slowly observe here. This is very important. All of you observe, then you all can do. From this curve, the curve has to go a little inside and again come out till here. It has to go little inside and then extend out and join it here. Now see the point. I'm marking a point near his hand. I'm marking a point near his hand. From this point where we ended now, from that point, again take a curve and join it to his hand.
And Fanny is coming like this.
Who's this?
Cotton.
Show me. Lift it little up, Karan. Yeah, your modak and hand part is correct. Lift it little more up, little more up. Okay, I will do one thing, children. I will send you all the black and white print to your group now. So it will come to your mobiles. So just have a reference of that picture so that you will not have a confusion. Okay? I will send it right now.
Ma'am, 1 minute. Can you check this? I'm not knowing. Is this correct? Ma'am, Mokshita's.
1 minute, Mokshita. Mokshita, it's glaring. I can't see. We'll do one thing. I'll just send you all the picture so that you can match. Okay? I'll right now send you all the picture.
Okay, ma'am. I'm sending the black print picture on your on the group which we had created now. Okay, so you all can have a look and you can match it. Then I think there won't be any confusion.
I saw the photo.
Yeah.
I made a little changes and it came like.
That is why you all have to draw in pencil. Okay. Okay. Now let's go for the next level.
When I made a little changes, it came like.
A minute, I have to match it.
Yeah, you can match it later, Mokshita. Let us start now. So let's go for the next level. Let's go for the next level. All of you come to this point here, box number 3, near his head. Come to this point. We are going to draw his ears, where his ears are going to be very big. From this point, I'm marking one more point in number 4 section, number 4 box, and creating a C curve, C curve, and marking one more point here near number 12, near number 12 box. I'm marking one more point here and creating an S curve for his ears, S curve. Same way other side also. Same way other side also. I'm marking a point here on number 2 near his head, box number 2 near his head, and near box number 1 I'm marking a point here and creating one more C curve. And marking a point over here near box number 9. I'm marking a point here. And creating an S curve. Now let us draw his hand. Let us draw his hand. From this point, box number 10, near his head, take a curve and a parallel curve. We are drawing one more hand of Ganesha. And from this point, let's draw his fingers. 1, 2, observe all of you. 3, 4. And the last thumb finger comes from here with a C curve and one more curve. So I'll give you all 1 more minute time. Finish this. Then let's go for the further.
For me, there's no space to make the hand.
Who's this?
Yes, ma'am.
Who?
I'm Karan.
I think you have extended this curve little inside.
I made it till the line only, in the border line.
Till this line only you have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Then you have to extend this here little more outer and make space for the hand.
Ma'am, I'm showing it, ma'am.
Show me. I can't see. You have to lift your paper to the camera. Yeah. Little away. Take it little away. Just a second. You have to lift it up, ma. Lift it up. Little more up. Bring it to your left side. Left, little more left. Yeah. Little more. Oh, okay. Then you do one thing. See, observe me now. You have to extend this ear little out and make a space for the hand. Understand? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you spotlight your video back?
Yeah. 1 second. We will do.
Ma'am, even Mokshita's, my hand came like this, ma'am.
I think you have to do the same way, Mokshita. You have to extend this little more outer and give space for the hand. Okay. Okay, listen all of you. Now let us draw his stomach. Come to this level. Pardon?
Can you wait a little? Ma'am, I'm drawing the hand.
I'll just give you all another 1 more minute. Make it fast.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I've drawn many other good drawings.
Yeah, that's nice. I'll be muting for some time. Please do your drawings.
I'm done.
Man, done.
Yeah, let's go for further. Now let us draw his stomach. Now come to this 15th section. near this, sorry, 11, near his hand. Mark a point here. Observe me. I'm marking a point here. And one more point near his hand. And one more point over here. So now we are going to draw a stomach. So observe me, then later you all can draw. We are going to draw a half circle, and joining his hands, both the hands. We have made a half circle and joining both his hands.
And like this. And like this. Some carton.
One second. Yeah, show me. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, now let us draw some curves. Listen all of you. Listen all of you. Let us draw some curves. Observe me. We are drawing these curves from his ears to his stomach. A C curve. C curve 1. C curve 1. Give some 1-inch gap between his stomach and the curve. And one more C curve joining his legs. So total 3. 1, 2, 3. Just stop it till here. Stop it till here. Near the box number 14.
Ma'am, you have muted yourself. We are not able to hear you.
Yeah, same pattern we are going to draw on the other side. Near box number 11, come to box number 11. We are going to create one more semicircle attaching his ears. Observe me now. From this point, I'm creating a kind of semicircle and joining near his stomach. And extending one more curve to the semicircle from this point. See, from this point, I'm joining one more curve to this point under his stomach, to this point. On the box number 15. It lies on the box number 15. So in between there is one more small curve joining the final curve. That's it. Now let's draw his tiny legs. Observe me, then you all can do it. I'm drawing a small U curve 1, 2. On box number 14, I'm creating his legs. Small U curve 1. One more U curve. A tiny curve joining his costume. and under that one more small curve. Create some circles there, tiny circles. Yeah. Now come to this hand, come to his Modak hand. Create a curve like this from top to up near box number 6, near box number 10 and 6. Near box number 10 and 6, create a curve. Now let's create some section to his ears. Come to this box number 3. Box number 3. Let's mark the point here. See, I marked a point here, 1 centimeter gap. Create a curve joining the end of the ears. Just made a small section for his ears. Same way, other side also. Now, very important, let's create his eyes. We're going to create his eyes. Imagine a leaf petal, sharp leaf petal. Mark a point here, all of you. Mark a point here. This point, can you see this point? It is near this box number 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this point. From this point, we are going to create his eyes like a leaf petal, leaf or petal. Observe me, then you all do. I'm creating a tiny leaf over here for his eyes. Create a leaf, just a leaf.
Ma'am, we need to create its eyes medium, one eye.
Only one eye.
Medium.
Just, yeah, medium. See the size. You can see. That is why we have made the grid. See, it is falling inside this number 2 square on number 3 square. Only quarter part of the grid is taken. In the corners of the grid. That's it. Okay. Now let's create this one more eyes on number 2 box. Number 2 box near this bend where we had taken a bend over here, a curve over here. There we are going to draw a C. A C. And one more parallel C. And a small C. Now come to his eyes, one more bigger eyes. We're going to create one more parallel leaf inside that. Parallel leaf, sharp leaf. Parallel sharp leaf. And a circle inside. Now create one more circle over here near to his modak or tusk, near his tusk. Now let's create some design for his head, like a flower petal. And a tiny leaf petal here. Now create some circles near his stomach. Just observe, later you can create. I'm creating some circles, joining the circles 1, 2, 3, 4. And from here, from his hand, 1, 2, 3, 4. And a tiny heart shape in the center.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, Ganesha also wears a Janayu. So can we also make it a thread?
Yeah, that you can do it in the end, not now.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, any of you are going to paint, right? So
Yes,
if you do it now, it's of no use. So once you complete the painting, at the end you can do the thread.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. So let us start the painting, children. Take out your paints, palette, brush, and water, waistcloth.
1 minute time.
Yeah, I will give. Take out your, keep your painting items ready. Spread newspapers, don't spill the paints. All of you be careful. If you all have aprons, use aprons.
I'm using this kind of paint, so I don't need.
Yes, use it, no problem. You can keep, spread newspapers, keep water, use tissues or waistcloth, mute your audios. And keep everything ready in front of you. Let's start within 1 minute time. So main color, what you need in the beginning is going to be white and blue. White and blue.
Light blue or dark blue?
Light blue.
Okay, ma'am.
If you don't have light blue, children, no problem. Take dark blue. We can mix little white on that. Okay.
Ma'am, I'll be back in a minute.
Yes, no problem.
Ma'am, can you wait a minute in my home?
Yes, children, I will give you all 1 minute time. And those who have completed the sketch, can you all show me?
Okay, ma'am. You can not see, ma'am, because my power is gone, ma'am. Ma'am, you're muted.
Yes, Harini, correct? Yes, you can proceed. Whose is this? Imanshu. Imanshu sketch. Yeah, that's correct. That's nice. Who else is showing? Teju. Yeah, Teju, correct.
Ma'am, can you see my Mokshita's?
Who else is showing?
Mokshita.
Divya Arun. Anika, yeah.
Can you see my Nitesh?
Rashmi Malik, yeah, that's nice. Very good. Mokshita, yes, Mokshita, nice. Manjula. Who has done Manjula? Yeah, that's nice. Very nice.
I have only done it. Geeta.
Okay, that's nice. Great. Very nice. Meghana, lift it up, Meghana.
No.
Yeah, that's nice. Nitesh Iyer, yes, very nice. Very good, Nitesh, nice. Ojas, very good, Ojas. You have tried your best. Very good. See, children, one thing I will tell you all. See, however you have tried is best. Okay, first time you all are trying. So I'm very happy that you all have joined and you're trying to draw a Ganesha where is the person who is going to help you all in studies. Okay. So however you sketch is not at all a problem. First time you all are doing. I'm so happy. Yeah.
Ma'am,
So
this is Mokshita.
you all can try once again at home with a beautiful sketch again and post it to me. Dhanadeep, yes, Dhanadeep. Yes, very nice, very nice. Who else is showing? Bindu.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Bindu. Nice. Nice, nice, Bindu. Very nice. Very nice.
Ma'am, this
Anika.
is Mokshita.
Anika, whose is that?
Brothers.
Yeah, that's nice. Very nice. He has tried his best. Very good.
Ma'am, this is Mokshita.
Anika. Mokshita, 1 second, ma. Mokshita, 1 second. I'm coming. Anika, yeah, that's correct. Okay. Now, Mokshita, where are you?
Ma'am, actually my home power is gone, so can you send the video afterwards? I'll do it.
Sure. I will send.
Okay, ma'am, now I'm going to log off.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Himanshu, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, can I see yours?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, Himanshu. Good. Later on, you can try it with a nice, neat paper, white paper. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Who else is showing? Sudipta. Sudipta, yes. 1 second, Sudipta. Yeah, that's nice, Sudipta. That's nice. Good. Okay. Who wants to show, children? Anybody else? Anybody else wants to show? Arshada, show me. Wow, Arshada, very nice. Beautiful. Very nice. Vidya is showing. Yes, Vidya, very nice. Good. Okay,
Ma'am, can we
children.
outline with black sketch pen and erase
Yes.
the grid before painting?
No, you all do one thing. I think you can paint it. You all can paint it. You all can paint it. Later on, you can outline with black with your paints. Or those who are doing it crayons, you can give the outline. Those who are doing the painting, no need of outline now. Later on, final outline can be given. Understand?
Ma'am, but after painting, we can't erase the grid.
brush should be used first.
Yes. Okay, do one thing. I'll give you all 2 minutes time. Start sketching immediately. Start sketching fast.
I finished drawing it.
Yeah, start sketching now. All of you start sketching with whatever pen, gel pen or sketch pen you're having. Start sketching it and later you all can erase the grids. Fast, I'll give you all 2 minutes. All can start sketching with black sketch pen or gel pen, whatever you have right now available.
Ma'am, can we use our own colors or the colors you tell?
Yeah, you can use. That's not a problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Can use, yeah. Because most of the students will not know what to color, so I have to help them. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, ma'am. This if you're painting, no need to sketch, is it?
If you're painting, no need to sketch, but you should know the lines. So if you want to have that slight outline, you can do the sketching. Because as an artist, we will know how to color it without sketching also. But if you are if you all are doing it for first time, I think it's better to sketch it.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. At least you can outline with your gel pen or whatever you have right now. And later, all of you should erase the grid lines and numbers. That is very important. Erase your grid lines and numbers.
I'll make my
Ma'am, this is Mokshita in my home power cam, so I already connected, ma'am.
Okay, Mokshita.
Just a minute, I forgot to bring my water. Yes, ma'am, I'm ready.
Just wait a minute. So ma'am, when we have sketched, so can we erase it when we have sketched?
Yes, I think somebody was asking me some doubts.
Yeah, ma'am. So when we have sketched the drawing, so sketch a drawing, so can we erase it?
Yeah, erase the grid lines and numbers.
Okay, ma'am.
I didn't sketch.
Sketch it fast.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, sketched.
Yeah, all of you keep your blue and white ready. And if you all have flat brush number 2, take your flat brush number 2, or else you can use round brush itself, not a problem.
Ma'am, this brush.
Who's this?
Akshata.
Yeah, use it, Akshita. You don't have any other brush?
I have, ma'am.
Flat brush you don't have?
No, ma'am.
Okay, use that brush, not a problem. I'm using this blue. See, children, I'm using this blue. All of you keep this
Ma'am,
blue
I didn't
ready.
finish outline.
No, I'm not starting. Dude. Let me wait. I will wait. And take white, all of you, blue and white. So I'll show you all how to color now.
Ma'am, what brush we need to take?
Flat brush number 2, or if you don't have number 2, take round brush. Now round brush number 4.
Can we take flat brush number 4?
Yeah, you can try with that also.
Okay, ma'am.
No, ma'am, I didn't finish yet.
I'll give you 1 more minute time, children. Just 1 more minute time, I'll give you all. You can sketch it.
Ma'am, we can start.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we need to mix blue and white.
Pardon? Yeah, take blue and white colors.
Mix blue and white.
No, don't mix. Don't mix.
So ma'am, first you need to white or blue?
Take blue and white and keep it ready, children. I'll tell you all. Let us
Ma'am, can I
start.
use cerulean blue?
Yeah, you can use. Yeah.
Ma'am, I have to sketch it still.
Ready, all of you?
Ma'am, very little, ma'am.
Mokshita, we will start here. You can sketch and start continuing. Others are waiting there.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Let's start, all of you. See, I'm loading blue. Can you all see blue here? I've loaded little blue in the brush. Okay, take your blue and come to his ears part, this section, and apply blue there. Apply blue there for that portion. Apply blue neatly. Don't spill the colors outside the border line. Color it neatly. Those who have crayons, use blue color there. Those are using crayons, use blue color. Now observe me.
I'm just wait a minute.
Just a minute, I have to take my blue.
Yeah, observe me now. I've loaded blue again, a little drop of blue, and I'm just applying only to the borders of the Ganesha. See, on the sides. Just apply it only on the sides initially. Apply it only on the sides. Don't apply it in the center, only in the sides of his ears. Sides of his ears.
Ma'am, I'm not able to understand which is blue in these two, ma'am.
Take light blue, ma'am. Take light blue.
Okay, ma'am.
After this, observe me. After this, with the same brush, observe me, with the same brush, I'm loading white. I'm loading white and applying it in the center. And mixing it. Mixing it. So that you will get a double shade of blue and white. Understood, all of you? With the same brush, load little white and just apply to the complete ears of Ganesha. So you will get a slight shading of white and blue. Just see the texture and the color shading and how I am applying. See, I'm taking it on upward and downward, upward, downward, upward, downward with a flat brush. Same way for this Ganesha, for this year's also. First load blue and apply on the top of his ears. Then apply to the corners of his ears. Apply to the corners of his ears. Only blue color has to be applied on the corners of his ears. Be careful when you're applying near his eyes. When you're coming near the hands, use brush number 2 with a round brush so that it will not cross the border lines of the hands. Then load white with the same brush, load white and apply in the center and mix it with those colors. See? Just mix it.
Ma'am, done.
Done? What about others? Let us proceed with next level.
I'm done.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, which color should we take next?
Same blue only, blue and white. For the face also it is blue and white. Okay. So now what you all can do is take your palette. All of you take out your palette. Take 1 drop of blue. Take 1 drop of blue. Load it in your palette. Take 1 drop of blue and 3 drops of white. 3 drops of white. If you want to mix little water, 1 or 2 drops of water, you can mix, or else don't mix it. Those who are using watercolors can mix it with water. Acrylic color not required. If it is too thick, then use just 1 drop. So it should be light blue for his face.
And can you again repeat the quantity?
1 dot of blue, 3 drops of white. 1 drop of blue, 3 drops of white. So color light blue for his entire face. Use better, you people use round brush, thin brush. If you're not comfortable with flat brush. Color his entire face with light blue.
I have light blue. Shall I use it that blue only?
Yes. If you have light blue, you can use it. Even his hands. Don't color his tusk. Don't color his tusk. Tusk will be in white color.
Can you lift your hand?
If you're not comfortable with flat brush number 4, you all can use round brush number 4 or 2, children. You can color it with round brush also. Color it neatly. Don't color it urgent. I want very neat coloring. Spend your time and enjoy the coloring. That's more important.
I'm done.
Wait, Nitesh, let others finish. Just observe, I'm coloring the light blue near the trunk. Near the trunk here in this section. And also is complete trunk part. Color is hands also. Color is hands. With light blue.
Yeah, ma'am, I'm done. Both of the hands?
Both the hands. Color both the hands.
Okay.
With light blue. Only the hand, don't color the modak. Use thin brush, children. Number 2 brush or 4 round brush to color the hand part. And also is stomach. Follow the same method. On the edges of the stomach, follow the same method how we did for the ears. On the edges of the stomach, color it dark blue. The edges of the stomach can be colored with dark blue. Then load your white and start mixing it. You can color on the jewelry, no problem. Later on we can create it, create as jewelry. I'm just giving a curves like this in the brush, in the flat brush, so that you will get a neat finishing. See, giving curves in this pattern, so you'll get a neat finishing. See. Color is legs also with light blue. Color is legs with light blue. Don't color the circles. All are enjoying the coloring?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Ma'am, and it's stress relief.
Very good, very good. That's more important. Now, all of you take your red color. Take your red color.
I'm dark
Yeah,
red.
dark red, dark red.
Okay, ma'am.
Take your red color.
Ma'am, I don't have dark red.
Okay, take normal red, whichever you have. No problem. Take out your round brushes again. Those who have flat brush can use flat or round brushes.
Ma'am, we are going.
Yeah, Mokshita, tell me.
We are going to color the heart with red.
Yeah, I'll tell you all now. So ready? We will start with red color. All of you are ready with red coloring? Ready? Yeah, now observe me.
Ma'am, 1 second.
Yeah. Yeah, now let's start with red. I've loaded little red, see here. And I'm coloring on his crown here. For his crown, the complete portion of this crown should be colored with red. The complete portion of this red, our crown should be colored with red.
Finished, ma'am.
Did you do it neatly, Mokshita?
Yes, ma'am.
Now come to this section. All of you observe, come to this section. This part has to be colored with red. This part has to be colored with red.
Yeah, ma'am, I'm done.
Same way other side, this part should be colored with red.
Yeah, ma'am, I'm done.
Yeah. What about others? Let's go further or shall I wait?
Ma'am, let's go for those.
Can you wait?
Ma'am, wait, ma'am.
Yeah, I'll wait. I'll wait for 2 more minutes.
It's very easy.
Those who have done, can I see? Can I have a glance? Yeah, one by one. I'll just call your names. You all can show. Mokshita.
Ma'am, my paint is not dried. That's why I'm showing like this.
Yeah, no problem. That's fine. Who else is showing? Harini. Yes, Harini. Very nice. Shading is good. Mokshita, yeah.
Yeah, ma'am.
Who else? Arshada. Yes, Arshada. Correct. Very nice.
Ma'am, can you tell me the next color? I'll keep it ready.
Next color will be orange and yellow.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I don't have orange. No orange.
Okay, use yellow.
How completed, Nitesh? Ma'am, white color was over.
Oh, okay. One second. One second. Yes, ma'am. Who's this? Meghana. Meghana, very nice. Very nice, Meghana. Nitesh. Yes, Nitesh. Nice.
White was over, that is why.
Oh, then you need white, no? Now. We need more white now. What will you do?
Ma'am,
You don't have watercolors?
Oh, ma'am. Ma'am, not white.
Huh?
I
Ma'am,
do
I've got
bandwidth
white
is low.
Use acrylic colors white. You can use acrylic colors white also.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, next children, let's go for the next level.
Low, ma'am.
Ma'am, your bandwidth is low.
It will come, children. It will come. Don't panic. It will come.
Ma'am, the screen is small, that's why.
It will come. It will come. Okay, just one or 2 minutes. It will come back. Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
We need to mix the orange and
No, don't mix anything. I will tell you all what to do.
yes.
Oh,
So keep your orange and yellow ready. Keep your orange and yellow ready.
Ma'am, is it green yellow or lemon yellow?
Yeah, you can use lemon yellow.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, let's start now. It's getting late for others. Let's load orange. All of you see, I've just loaded one touch of orange in the brush. One touch of orange, and applying only to the corners of this. Only to the corners here. Only to the corners. I'm applying orange first. Mute your audios. Mute your audios.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, I don't have orange. Ma'am, I'm using the acrylic poster colors.
Okay, use red, ma. Use red. No problem.
Ma'am, I have watercolors also with me.
Pardon?
Ma'am, I have watercolor also with me.
You have water, then use watercolor.
And for the other side, orange.
1 second, children. See, only on the sides you have to apply orange. Only on the sides. See, observe me, I'm applying. Then wipe your brush. All of you wipe your brush in the cloth or tissue paper. Wipe it. Then load yellow. See, I've loaded yellow and mix it inside. You will get a double shading. Load yellow and mix it inside. So you will have a neat, beautiful double shading. See, I'm mixing, blending both the colors with orange and yellow. Those who don't have orange, use red and yellow. But your red should be very less. Orange, yellow should be more. See? Again, wash your brush. Wash your brush. Load orange. And come to this part. And
inside full we have to do yellow.
Yeah, full yellow. Only in the sides you have to apply orange.
Okay.
Only in the sides. Very little orange. Then wipe it. Only in the sides you have to apply orange. Then wipe it in the cloth. Load yellow. Wipe it in the cloth. Load yellow. And mix it inside. Yes? Now with the same brush again, you can start coloring the down part also with the same brush. Start coloring the down part. So we have 3 shading for this dhoti. We have 3 shading for this dhoti. Over?
Full ma'am, at the bottom part full orange, ma'am.
Yeah, orange with the same brush. What you did here, no? Same brush you can take and apply orange and yellow here.
Okay, ma'am.
Now all of you take white and black. Take your white and black. White and black.
Just a minute, ma'am.
So if you all have a permanent marker or sketch pen or something like that, you can just fill the eyes. You can just fill the eyes with black inside. Color the eyes.
Ma'am, do we have to use paint or can we use sketch pen?
You can use sketch pen also. If you are doing it on a paper, that's not a problem. If people who are doing in canvas, use permanent markers.
Ma'am, can you lift your hand?
Yeah, I've lifted. And this part.
Ma'am, the dot should be white.
Yeah, dot should be white. Okay, now take your white color. Take your white color. You can just give one coat on this. Give one coat on this. A white color should be colored on his tusk. Colored on his tusk. And white dots for his jewelry. White dots for his jewelry. Keep some white dots with your number 2 brushes. And one more white dot here. There is trunk. And this modak also should be white.
All the other parts white and eyes.
His jewelry near his leg, see here. And this part. And modak will be white. And
The
heart shape will be red. And this eyelid also should be white. Eyelid of the Ganesha should be white. Do it slowly with the eyes, children. Don't spoil the eyes. Eyes is very important. Now take your red color. Take your red color and color the heart shape. Color the heart shape with red color. So once it dries, you all can give a neat outline. You all can give a neat outline with black sketch pen or gel pen or whatever you're comfortable. Those who are doing it on canvas can give it with a thin brush or with a permanent markers, CD markers, you can give. So can I see whoever has done? Can I see?
Yeah, ma'am, I'm done. I'm going to show it right. Ma'am, are you able to see my
Yeah. 1 second. Yeah. Can everybody show me? Whoever has done, I want to take a pic. Can everybody show me a glance?
Ma'am, I'm not done yet.
Yeah, whatever you have done, children, no problem. Just show me. I'll just take.
Almost done, ma'am. Just 2 minutes.
Okay.
2 minutes.
Ma'am, Mokshita.
On to see camera. 1 second. Yeah, I'll just see. Vidya, I think you are still yet to do, right? Very good. Yeah, do it slowly and neatly, no problem. The final picture I will send you all. You can do it later also. Mokshita, very nice. Nitesh, your white is reduced. Do it once again when you find time. Harini, very nice, very beautiful. Who else is showing? Anika and Anika, I want you to show it near camera. Anika, very nice, very good. What about your brother? Yeah, very nice, very nice. You have to do the other part of the ear also in the same pattern, okay? Meghana. Yes, Meghana, very nice. Very nice. Do it slowly. I'll just take a pic. 1 minute. Meghana. Yeah. The final picture I will send it to you all. All of you can do it. And I will explain you all what to do also. 1 second. So this is the base actually. After the base, you can do lot of things to your Ganesha. I will explain you all and show you the pattern also. Just see this. All of you observe. You can decorate your Ganesha later in this pattern. If you all are having Kundan stones with you, you can decorate your Ganesha with Kundan stones, with white beads. So all these materials, you will get it in Amazon. Kundan, if you ask for Kundan stones, you will get it. So after the completing of the painting, you can stick some stones here on his ears, for his jewelry, for his hand and his dhoti. You can stick some Kundan stones. Okay? Understood all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I will send you this. I will send you this picture, children. You all can try this at home slowly.
Ma'am, actually, I don't have materials, so
You can do it you can do it later, ma. No problem. Whenever you get the material, you can do it. And this has to be. You have to stick these stones with. You can stick it with Fevicol, or else you will get a fabric glue with Fevicol Hobby Ideas. You can stick it with these Fevicol for this Kundan stones. Okay. See, these are the Kundan stones where you will get it in the market. For example, I'm just showing you all. These are the Kundan stones. See, you can just see. I'll show you all. These are the stones. You can call it as sequence also. Sequence. Understood all of you?
Yes, Fevicol, I have this at my home.
Okay. You will get half-cut beads, children. Half-cut beads are available, where you can stick it on the paintings. Half-cut beads looks very beautiful for these kind of artworks. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So, can I see your work? All of you have completed?
Ma'am, just a minute. I have something to do with my razor.
Second. Very nice, Karan. Very beautiful. Lovely. Very good. Very nice. That's nice. So once you all are done with the painting, outline is very important, children. Outline is very important. You all have to give a black outline. Understand? Black outline is very, very important. Yeah. So either you can give it with the brush paint or permanent markers or CD markers. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. I think it's getting late for everybody. Can you all show me once? I want to take a pic, everybody. I want all of you to on your videos, please. Kindly on your videos and show me the picture wherever you are, no problem. Everybody, Arshada, Geeta Shri, Samira, Manjula, I want everybody's video to be on and show your pictures. Show it near the camera.
Ma'am, I have
camera.
The other part.
Samira, Manjula and Geeta Shri, please show your artwork, please. Geeta Shri.
Yes,
Jandeep, whatever you have done, please show me. Please, Dandeep. Mokshita, yeah. I'm taking the pic of everybody's. Wonderful. Very nice. Thank you. And remove your pictures. Keep it in the side. Let me take your faces, please. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the journey of coloring. Did you all enjoy?
Ma'am, it was amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay then.
Ah, it was awesome. It was such a stress buster. Before
Is it?
Ganesha festival. This
Yeah,
was divine.
exactly.
Thank you,
especially,
ma'am.
especially for the kids, you know, if they do their Ganesha with their own hands, it will be very nice because he is very important for us, especially for children, for their studies. Okay, so once you're done, one second, I'm talking. Once you have done, please outline it neatly. You can keep it on your study table. Try to frame it, children. Whatever you're done is not, it doesn't matter how you have done. So doing with your own hands is very important. Mute your audios, please. Mute your audios, please. Mute your audios. Doing with your own hand is very important. That is more important. So kindly try to outline, frame it, and keep it on your study table. Okay? All the best for your studies. Now you all can talk. Yeah, tell me, what is the questions one by one?
Whoever clear, can they leave?
Yes. Thank you, you can leave.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Yeah, bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Welcome. Bye.
I mixed all the colors we used and made some random color.
Is it? No problem. Give a neat outline. It will be good. Okay? Oh, nice. That's nice.
You can only end the meeting for all of us.
Yeah, I will end.